Hello everybody, XJoe81X here, and on the tubes today, it's January 2nd, 2020. Unfortunately, over the course of the weekend, by no fault of anybody in particular, the center dryer stopped producing heat. It's an electric dryer, connected electrically. So, eventually, there'll be a video, and me and JK18 will pull it out and we'll test it and we'll see what's wrong and hopefully pretty much put it right back into service. If you may or may not know or may not have watched, please pause or hit the back button, go to my channel and just type in GE gas dryer or Kenmore electric dryer, and you could see a couple of videos leading up to the last couple of 5 years as far as finding this one and getting these obviously up and running. We replaced the motor in this prior in a video, and that's that. Unfortunately, what happens is when the left dryer is on, the right dryer gets some condensation, and that's just because I have one pipe going up and it's split right behind it with a Y or whatever this is called, and then there's a damper in the middle here, and then there's a damper down there, and that prevents the heat from going from one dryer to the next, and they both basically go like this into here, and then there's a 90, and then it goes outside. Well, what I want to do, even though the middle dryer is broken, I want to reconfigure this. I want to not really eliminate, but I want to bring one pipe down, and I want to bring this piece, I want to try to put it up there. I want to try. All it is taking a deep breath, taking the tape down, and seeing how it looks. And then this is flex. See that? So that goes up. These go up maybe a couple of feet. So maybe I'll bring the flex up like this. You know, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, this makes a 90. Maybe I'll bring the flex up, and then I'll put the dampers right here. So this one will go like right here, and this will go into the Y, and then this will come down, and then maybe you'll make a into here, because the dryer vents are usually in the middle. So what we're going to do off camera is just clean up, get everything out here. I have to prepare the area for JK18 during the week because we have to test this. So again, off camera, I'm going to move this stuff, and I might have to take that down, which just holds some light bulbs. But other than that, we'll see how far I get. I'm going to put it actually all back and functioning because the left dryer we're going to use today because we still need to do some laundry. So by the power of editing, thank you very much, and we'll see how far I get with. With two, bang boo. Alright, we moved it out. I just shop vac the bottom. Nothing crazy. I got the flash on so we could see what a couple of, maybe a year or so. Not bad. Not bad. Obviously, I'll take that out and hit it with a shop vac. This I kind of didn't like. Let's see if I could get this going. This had some residual in here, but I guess that's natural because it's a pivot point. You know, it's flat and then it closes, so this will get some meat and potatoes. I'll leave that. Let me see on the camera if you could get that. I'll look at it, and then I'm just gonna obviously disconnect this, and this should be free. There might be stuff in here. I gotta untape this. I gotta see where I want to put it. I might have to put it here, but anyway, that's it. You know, it's on shims because concrete's not level, but this is it. It's kind of early. I might call Jay. It is kind of open, so I guess we'll see. So, all right. All right, now that I took this piece off, excuse me, it went like that. You got a couple things around the rim, which is natural. If you look down, it's pretty clean. If you look up, this is what I was trying to tell you, is that, excuse me, it creates like a pivot point where the dust gets hit. We'll shop vac that out. This is actually worse, the gas dryer. Oh, but off camera, look what I saw. This is gonna shock and awe you. So here it's off. Plastic piece, just fits just like that. Nothing crazy. But look at this. This is unbelievable. The dryer naturally goes like this. Shakes when the drum is moving. So this went straight back. It sat on the connection and, oh, I'm sorry, it went like this. And it went like this. And over the course of a couple of years, it made holes. And that's why there was lint all down here. So now I gotta cut this off here, stretch this out, see how far it goes, and see if I can reach it up to here. Because my plan, again, I might have to take this down, is to put these two higher, let gravity, you know, sit there. Put this, see that tape, that junction? Put that in here. Come down with the 90 and come down here and have two separate stacks, and then put these above this, like right around here, so you could always take them apart and shop vac them. So let me get you a better view, and that's that. Well, this is what it looks like now, after I installed two brand new flex pipes. And instead of putting this Y up here, off camera, it hit the valve, and the valve obviously, the valve goes left. So there was no reason to bring this piece all the way over here and just, no. This piece up high, coming down, would be just this piece up higher. There's no reason for that. So I decided to lower it, tape it up nicey nice. Oh, light's still on. We'll go back here. It's exactly the way it was, but these are just two brand new flexes. Comes out of the bottom there, goes up, and then this one has a plastic 90 that comes out of there. It goes up. This is currently on and running. This is hot and all warm. There's no airflow coming out of these clamps. And this clamps, side note, if you are going to do this, undo one of these runs, because the clamp will hit this thickness and it won't do this. See, this is crunched because the clamp is clamping down. If you leave all the meat, you won't be able to secure it properly. So this is going to wrap up moving the dryer vent and basically raising up the flaps that could easily be disconnected and shop vac without moving the two machines, because the last 2 or 3 years, what you saw in the previous clips were, it wasn't extremely dirty with lint. So thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.